I'm here with the Mamba 10 G2 from Flex Innovations. I like to describe the airplane and the features. And this is a G2, so we basically using all the experience we have from the Mamba 10 G1 and make all the improvements in every area that we saw possible. So the airframe is the successful Mamba 10 G1, and with the upgrades are around the power plant, the servos, the electronics in general. So I like to describe little by little where are those differences. You see it's our new color scheme. You can see here. And I like to start from the front and walk back on the improvements. So we start with the power plant. So let's describe the motor is a 6S. This airplane is part of the series of 6S raw power airplanes that we have. Right now we have the Piranha and the Mamba 10 G2. And in the future, hopefully we'll have much more. The motor is a Potenza 23D. It's a 600 kV. It's a brushless motor, of course. It's a swimming wool prop, 12 by 5. The wool prop is very important because it's light and the gyroscopic forces with that power, it's important to keep the motor healthy in good conditions. So we have a new battery tray design for the airplane to have a good access and quick exchange of the battery. Basically we have 1 bolt, hold it, and the tray comes out like this. That's the thumb screw, basically like that. And it's held with the Velcro, like that, how you exchange it. You know, I personally like to have more than one of this, so you always leave the, the battery with the tray and you kind of exchange it very quickly. It's not needed, but if you want, it's something that you can do. The ESC is a new CTW 50 amp capable 6S. Very important for all the system. And so the airplane with this power system, we have another video where we explain the difference between the 6S raw power and the 3S setup. But basically with this airplane, for the same weight, you're seeing about 40% more power, and you're seeing about 30% more flight time. Watch that video for all the details and explanation in numbers. So I think very important change on the airplane is are the servos. Here we have the new DS17, Potenza DS17 HP servo, so it's a high voltage working at 7.4 volts. As we get more power, we also need the servos to be stronger. So the servos are about 30% more power than before. We added to the tail servos a thicker push rod, again because more power on airplane flying faster too, and more power on the servos. And at the end, we using ball links over here. So that bring a very smooth and very nice control. Then we have a new program for the Aura 8. This program out of the box offers the crawl like you see now, with the ailerons up and down like that in purpose so you can see it. And the Aura 8 offers 3 flight modes. The expert, or we call it better saying the slow 3D mode, we have the fast 3D mode, and then we have the precision mode. So overall, this airplane, it kind of came alive, very powerful, very fun airplane to fly. Remember, 40% more power with a bigger prop and everything. You will feel like you have about 70% more power or so. You have a 30% more flight time. And also you have an airplane that the wing loading is about as before. So end up feeling floaty, very good for 3D, very light, but very powerful with a great flight time. So I hope you guys enjoy it as we enjoy this airplane, and the little Mambita for sure will bring you a smile.